Welcome to the Blue Dolphin News Network. I'm Azaya.
And I am Rudy.
Today is a fantastic day to learn and grow.
Let's dive right in.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our school motto. Be safe, live responsibly, understand, respect, and encourage each other. Go Blue Dolphins! You may be seated.
Ready? Today's Motivational Monday. Don't count the days, but make the days count.
For lunch today, we will be having baked chicken nuggets with a whole wheat roll, seasoned corn, and chilled peaches. Yum.
Today is the first day of fall, and the weather is 74 degrees and partly sunny.
That's it for today's announcements.
Swim strong, Blue Dolphins!
Greetings, Blue Dolphin family. I'm Mr. Lay, your principal. Now let's keep up the great work following the tips in the video to help you earn those Dolphin dollars. There will always be opportunities to stay blue and do the right thing, but it's important to do the right thing even when no one is watching. So let's always do the right thing, and not just to earn prizes, but to be a good blue citizen. That's why our blue motto is be safe, live responsibly, understand, respect, and encourage each other. Have a blue day.
Hey Blue Dolphins, ready for an amazing school year? We are so excited to have you back.
We're the Blue Dolphins, and we do things a little different here. Our school motto is more than just saying. It's how we live and learn every single day. Let's say it together. Be safe, live responsibly, understand, respect, and encourage each other. Go Blue Dolphins!
And that's the blue way. And it's what makes our school so special.
So let's talk about what that looks like in some of our favorite places around school.
Lunchtime. The cafeteria is a place to refuel and chat with your friends, and we can all do our part to keep it a clean and enjoyable space.
Be safe by keeping your food on your tray and your feet on the floor. Take your time walking and remember to stay seated while you eat.
Live responsibly by cleaning up your space. Make sure all your trash goes in the garbage and your trays are stacked neatly.
Understand that this is a shared space. Be mindful of those around you and use a quiet voice.
Respect and encourage others by sharing tables and waiting patiently in line.
The playground is for fun and games to make sure everyone has a good time. Remember our Blue Dolphin ways.
Be safe by using the equipment the right way. Play smart and avoid the injuries.
Live responsibly by taking care of our playground equipment. Understand that we all like to play different games. Be open to sharing and taking turns.
Respect and encourage your friends by cheering them on. And invite others to play with you. No one likes to be left out.
Bye!
The hallways and stairs get us from one place to another, so let's make sure we move with purpose. Be
safe by walking on the right-hand side, keeping your hands to yourself and using a calm indoor voice.
Live responsibly by using hallway for walking and not running.
Understand that some people might be in a hurry. Walk with purpose, but be mindful of those around you.
Respect and encourage others by holding a door open or letting someone pass.
Whether we're having a school assembly or a special event, the MPR is where we all come together as a school.
Be safe by entering in a calm and orderly way.
Live responsibly by listening and participating in the activities.
Understand that people are trying to talk. Being a good listener by staying quiet and keeping your hands to yourself.
Respect and encourage the presenters and your fellow Dolphins by clapping and cheering at appropriate times.
Welcome to the Going Green and Greenville Garden. This is where our students read stories as well as water and plant flowers and herbs.
Remember, this is a calming spot outside of the building where young minds grow.
So relax and enjoy!
See, it's easy to be a great blue dolphin when we follow the blue dolphin way.
We create a school where everyone feels safe
And respected and ready to learn.
Have an amazing year.
Go Blue Dolphins!
I am very proud to be back at PH20. Did you know that I was a Blue Dolphin student many years ago? It's true. Remember to come to school on time every day and work hard so we can celebrate your accomplishments on honor roll, credit roll, or effort roll. Keep earning those Dolphin dollars and always stay blue. Be safe, live responsibly, understand, respect, and encourage each other. Go Blue Dolphins!